maybe in the horizontal conflict.
Yeah, this can be horizontal conflict. Yeah, conflict horizontal. It's like happen in Kulon Progo. Some people agree with the mining. Some, there's only little bit community agree, and but the like a media always push them. They agreement with the mining, and they enjoy open it with the mining. This media always push the media, but when the anti-mining not didn't care about the happen, what will they do, something like that. But there's a nice story too. In Kulon Progo, it's happened. It's like when the people have agree with the mining, they have like the anti-mining like give social like social punishment. Social punishment. It's happened like they have a meet in there. When they agree with the mining, take the money, take the money from them. Maybe two days after that he take the money, the son have an accident until die. They have a story in there, something like that. The son died 2 days after he take the money for the mining and sell the land. 2 days the son died, or the 1 week the man who take the money getting stroke, and the money lost to medication too for that stroke. It's a lot of story, and the other thing is like when he died, people don't need to
do not allow them to bury it in the land.
To the land, they find the other land. No, don't make cemetery in that place. Don't. Yeah, it's like so people thinking when this is like a social punishment. When you take in that land, all the social near with you is don't care about you. When they want to selling the plantation after harvest, they know they don't care. Don't sell in there. Don't sell in here. Sell the other place. So this is like a social punishment happen in there. It's like so people become a thinking again, because we must unite it with the others, with each other, because they have a good networking. Yeah, this is it happen in there. It's something is whoa. When I hear it's funny or something or.
So can we use the real story that happening now in Myanmar? So right now we have the Erie River. You know, it is the river in the middle of our country, and also is in the historical. We have a lot of history about the river and everything. But now they're trying to. China. They're trying to make a
dam. China Campaign.
Well,
Keep the water.
Yeah. They wanna make a electric.
Right.
Yeah. Electric for gas.
Yeah. So.
They keep the water.
Big dam.
Yeah, sir. If you want to make electricity, you must make dam first.
Yeah.
So to keep the water, after the water can airfall and.
It mean the river we will lost the river, so we will lost all our history, and also about the job. were lost. The fishermen.
And the village is not too.
This is an interesting point to say, comes to me now. The Kulon Progo farmer, does he know the same problem exists in Myanmar and in Thailand? Does he know that? Is he not feeling interesting maybe to know, wow, I'm not alone?
Yeah.
There are other countries with the same issue.
Yeah.
So at the same as you said, some people like to do that.
This
နားမြန်မာလိုပြောလိုက်တော့ပါတော့
ပြော
ပထမဆုံးကပါသူဒီလျှက်စစ်ကဒီရရလျှက်စစ်ကတရုတ်ပြောင်းဝင်မှာတရုတ်ပြောင်းဝင်မှာအဲ့ဒါလေအကောင်လုံးကတရုတ်ကိုပို့တာတရုတ်ကိုအကောင်လုံးပို့ပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ဒီကနေမှဒီဟာကိုရောင်းတဲ့အတွက်ခဏရခိုင်လုံးဆိုမြန်မာပြည်ပြန်ရမှာမြန်မာပြည်မှာမင်းမင်းလေးရဲ့နေရာအများကြီးရှိတော့အဲ့ဒီဟာကိုအားကိုးပြီးတော့မင်းလေးရမှာဆိုတော့တချို့လူတွေကအဲ့ဒါကိုလက်ခံ
Okay, because of after finish that project, every electricity have to sell to the China. But the person who like in Myanmar is some places, some townships don't have electricity. So the percentage, the 100%, and we will get like 0.01%,
10%
or like 10% back to, so we can share no electricity township or division. So that's why they like, oh, this project, and then this people like, and
နောက်ပြီးတော့အဲ့ဒီဟာကိုအဲ့ဒီစစ်ကိုရမယ်ဆိုပြီးတော့ပါမျှော်ဖို့ပြီးတော့ဒီရဟောဖြစ်တာပါဒါနဲ့တော့မစဉ်းစားတာအဲ့တော့မြစ်ဆောင်ရှိတာပါဒီခါနဲ့မလေးစားမြစ်ဆောင်ပြီးတော့နေကြည့်ရဖြစ်တာအဲ့ညာအရန်မှာပါညက်တွေရောသဘာဝတရားလာတာတွေရောအကုန်လုံးလှတယ်ပါလုံးဝကဘာလက်ပြီးတယ်ဒါလည်းနေရာလည်းဖြစ်တယ်ပါဒါပေမဲ့အဲ့ဒါကအဲ့ဟာကိုလုံးလိုက်အဲ့ဒီမြစ်ဆောင်တော့ပြောက်သွားတယ်မြစ်ဆောင်ပြောက်သွားဆိုအဲ့ဒီဟာကိုပိတ်လိုက်ပြီးတော့အောက်မှာတောင်နေထုတ်ပြီးဒီကချင်းသွားဆိုအောက်ပိုင်းအောက်ပိုင်းတောက်ချမြန်မာနိုင်ငံပြည်နယ်ရမယ်ဒီနေ့ကတော့ခါရတော့ပါပြီးတော့အဲ့ဒီမြစ်ကြီးရဲ့ဘေးကမ်းနေကနေမှာတည်ထားတဲ့မြို့ကြီးကအပေါ်ကသမိုင်းဝင်ပြီးတော့ပတ်ခံနေတယ်အဲ့မြစ်ကြောက်တာသမိုင်းကြောက်တာပါသမိုင်းကြောက်တာညီမလေးကြောက်တာ
okay.
တောင်းနေရှိရသမိုင်း
Okay, so but they don't think that this is the river and we have two branches. At the place is a historical place and also it's an environmental. It's really beautiful and tourist attraction and this is like our legend place. There's a lot of mythology, a lot of history at that place. But if we do that project, this place will gone, loose, and also this is the river, and at the side of each side of the river, there's a lot of townships. Those townships are like Bagan, the historical place. There's a lot of legendary. If we do the project, it will gone soon. And there's a lot of townships like we have our legend, our history. So when we can show Bagan, this is Myanmar. So there's a lot of places that can show this is Myanmar, but it will gone soon. So it means like our country identity will gone, will go low profile soon if we do that project.
But the
Chinese movie.
Yeah.
they already have
It happened to in Papua New Guinea. Yeah. The McMoran Corporation they make big hole to take a lot of coal. Yeah. They take it coal and the rural people around there still don't have anything. It's like a Mama Aleta. Mama Josepa. This is against the coal mining in Papua. This will happen. They still like a modern people is Papanism. They still primitive, but this their life. For me, this their life. They're still primitive. They make it. Men just only using kotika. Kotika is like for fruit and dry and using for this. they live in primitive until now. Then I don't say they're primitive. This is like modern people say they're primitive. So it's like they make a new state in there. They have their own rule. They have our own people live in there, and it's very different with the people around there. So maybe Indonesia just only have 10 or 20% from there. So this mining is always doing something like the corporation, the big corporation, multinational corporation. They don't care about the impact for the people around their mining.
Oh, the other point is we have one step more than the mining problem here right now, because a lot of activists and a lot of media advocate about the river, advocate like the information they advocate, and they goes on to the media. So they stop the government. Okay, have to stop because a lot of people for 5 years, then it will start back. So it's like, so we promote the mining system, we support them. So it's like one step more. They will, maybe if we success, they will stop for the moment, or they will use the other technique, other strategy to make this happen.
No.
The project is going on.
It's stopping it.
It will officially start again after 5 years.
Secretly. Calm down now.
Yeah.
Let's just
It's a pause. Yeah.
And this is happening in Colombia right now. They all but they're still walking.
Right.
No publish.
One sort of point, the junctions of the river, the sand place in a Kachin division. You know Kachin division. The Kachin army, Kachin independence army, some of them they don't have. So now in civil war in Kachin state, the Kachin independence army, they shoot again. So the company is not start, can't start. The government army to clear this area. Yes, it's a stable wall.
Yeah.
So the government army cleared out the Kachin independent army?
Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah.
No, Kachin are still there. They're still fighting.
They're still fighting.
Fighting.
Kachin army is also a very powerful army. It's like
So
a government.
they don't like this project.
They're just not rebels.
Their own government.
Yeah.
The same happened to in Papua. They have army against that. They have army. Some a lot of happen. Shooting mysterious sniper killing somebody.
Yeah.
Still
This area is not. They are special for giant forest and hill, the mountain. They don't get it all of them clear the KIA. They are more expert in the forest in this area.
Yeah, because they know the condition.
So this means in Myanmar the artists they advocate and it's success, and the government, okay, you do this, okay, they change the strategy, but they still doing it, but just with a different strategy. They say, okay, we pause. No, we are not gonna do this.
They know where they want to go.
Yeah.
Go this way, let's go this way.
Okay. That's all.
ဟိုကထွက်သွားတယ်နော်စော်မင်းထုတ်ခံလိုက်ရတယ်
ဘယ်သူပဲอ่ะ
အဲ့ဒီစိတ်ဝင်ကြည့်လေထုတ်လိုက်တယ်လေ
ဘာကြောင့်
အဲ့ဒီကိစ္စကြောင့်လေအခုကိုလုံးနဲ့ကလာတာထုတ်တယ်
အော်ပြောရညီမလေးပြော
ထုတ်တာဘူးလား
fire
Oh, yeah,
get
yeah.
fire
the minister of the
electric department.
He got fired like 3 weeks ago. The president did that to please people.
To please people.
To please people, yes, that's a strategy. The people think that. Victory. Yeah. But
sacrifice this guy. Okay, we come back to the story. This is a lot of story about this happened, but this is interesting. We explore more and know each other about this is really about the corporation and mining problem in the world. Yeah. So we have two choose, I guess. One is talk about the Kulon Progo, or we talk about the general thing about mining.
Could I say in a way too that we have, it was seeming to me we have two choices: the story from Tolstoy, leading to this corruption or whatever of the farmer, and how we take that maybe with frogs or how it ends. And then we have this idea that is it interesting for the people in Kulon Progo to see the problem exist in Myanmar, to see the problem exist in